Given some information about a parabola, our goal here is to find an equation and sketch a graph. So we'll start with what we know. Let's see, what do we know? We know the focus of this parabola is at -2, -5, right there. And the directrix is y equals -1. Y equals is the equation of a horizontal line at -1. So there's my directrix, y equals -1. We can tell a few things from here. First of all, we can tell that the parabola is going to open down. The directrix is horizontal and it's above the focus. So that means the only place I have to go that I'm not going to run into the directrix is somehow opening down. That tells me when I write the equation in a minute here, I'm going to have some version of x squared equals 4a times y. X is squared, y is not. We can also tell where the vertex is. The vertex is halfway in between the focus and the directrix, and that'll be right there, halfway in between. Let's see. Looks like the vertex is at the point -2, -3. So now I can tell when I write my equation, h is -2, k is -3. There's the vertex. In order to sketch the graph, I'm going to need a width. In order to get the width, I'm going to need a value for a. Well, a is the distance between the vertex and the focus, or the vertex and the directrix, along with a direction. I can see that the distance is 2 from the vertex to either of those things. Since the focus is below the vertex, that tells me, and also since I'm opening down, that tells me a is going to be -2. So got a value for a. A is -2. Now that I know a, from the focus, I can go left and right a distance of 2 times a. So that's 2 times 2, a distance of 4 in either direction. There's 4 to the right and 4 to the left. And those are 2 points that are on my parabola, the endpoints of the lattice rectum. And it looks like those are at 2, -5, and -6, -5. At this point, we have enough to draw the picture. My parabola is going to go through the vertex and through both of those endpoints, like that. There's my parabola opening down. Last thing we need is an equation. The equation we know is going to look like x minus h squared equals 4a times y minus k, since I'm opening down, and we'll just fill in the important pieces of information, all of which we have at this point. So this is x minus the x-coordinate of the vertex, x minus -2. 4 times a is 4 times -2, and y minus -3. And there's the equation.